Let's check in with our weather expert, Darlene Dittell, to see if the warm weather will continue. Darlene?
Thanks, Felicia. Yes, the warm weather will continue. So it was pretty warm out there today. We had a high of 63 degrees, but we did have a wind speed of 26 miles per hour, so it was pretty breezy. Moving on to our hour by hour, we'll take a look at what tonight's going to look like. We're going to be in the mid 40s this evening, and then we'll dip down into the high 30s into early tomorrow morning. Looking at our weekly forecast, we'll see that tomorrow we're going to have a high of 50, so it'll be another beautiful day and the sun will be out. Moving into Friday, so we will have some sun in the morning, but by 3 p.m. we'll be getting a lot of rain. That'll continue into early morning Saturday, and then by 9 a.m. the sun should be out for Admitted Students Day, all through the weekend on Sunday. And then moving into Monday, we'll be met with some more rain, so don't forget your umbrellas early next week and enjoy the sun we have now. Back to you all.
Thanks, Audrey. Yes, temperatures are quite unusual for December. Tomorrow, we're going to have a high of 60 degrees, and with that, we will get quite a bit of rain. These temperatures are going to drop dramatically overnight into about 32 degrees, and it's going to turn all that rain into snow on Wednesday morning, so it's going to make for a very messy commute, but everything should clear up by 1 p.m., leaving us with some partly cloudy skies. Thursday will be pretty sunny, so a great day to be outside and enjoy the sun. Friday, it'll be a little bit cloudy, and then Saturday and Sunday, if you're looking to head outside, make sure you grab your umbrella because it will be a rainy weekend. A rainy weekend means perfect time for studying for finals. That's all I have for this week. Back to you, Matt.
Let's check with our student meteorologist, Darlene Dittell, on how the hurricanes Marco and Laura will be affecting these students. Darlene?
Thanks, Audrey. Well, as you can see behind me, we have some beautiful weather. We have a little bit of water in that fountain back there, but nothing like what the Gulf is going to see. So as of right now, we have 2 tropical storms down there, right? That's 2. We haven't seen 2 at the same time since about 1959, so this is a huge deal. As we can see right here, we have Tropical Storm Laura, and then up here we have Marco. And Marco, it looks like it's weakening a little bit. It won't reach hurricane status, but weakening in winds, not so much in rainfall. It looks like we're going to get about 3 to 5 inches of rainfall, and in some isolated areas about 10 inches, which is quite large. Let's take a look at the storm surge map, and we'll see that we're going to have about 2 to 4 feet of storm surge, so that's the tides rolling in and all that water reaching land. A ton of flooding from Ocean Springs all the way to Morgan City, so that's something to be aware of. And as soon as this hurricane or this tropical storm moves out west, we have another storm moving right in. Very little turnaround time to prepare for the next one. We have Laura coming in right up here, and it's actually going to hook towards the east. But that is going to strengthen in the warm waters as it gets closer to land to Category 1 hurricane, and then Category 2 as it's on landfall. So it's a very serious hurricane coming their way, and it looks like we're going to get a little bit of remnants maybe at the latter half of this week, but nothing compared to what the Gulf is going to see. So keep an eye on that. That's some wild weather happening this weekend. Back to you.
Thanks, Duffy. It's been a gorgeous day today. As you can see, the sun is out, it's shining. It's a beautiful day to be outside. There's a slight breeze at 15 miles per hour from the west, so it is a warm wind. Let's take a look at our hour by hour, and we'll see that temperatures are going to dip down into the high 50s, eventually into the lower 40s as we get into the early morning of tomorrow. And then moving on to the rest of Thursday, we'll see that we'll have a high of 60 degrees and the sun will be out throughout the day, so that'll be very nice. Moving into Friday, this trend is going to turn the other way. We're going to be getting rain all day, and there'll be some thunder throughout the afternoon, so it's a great day to study and catch up on what you've missed today in the sun at Stoller Steps. Moving on to Saturday, we're going to get a bit of clouds and some spotty showers throughout the day. Sunday will be similar, little more rain, so don't forget your umbrellas. And then Monday, everything will clear out. It'll be a beautiful start to your week. Tuesday, more rain. So on trend, we do have some rain. For now, enjoy the sun that we have and have a great day. Back to you, Frank.
Thanks, Eliza. Wow, I wish I had those earmuffs right now. The sun's out, but don't be fooled. It is really cold. Looking at our current temperatures, we have a solid 34 degrees and a wind speed of 14 miles per hour. So it's pretty cold right now. However, things will warm up to about 39 degrees this afternoon and then drop back down to the low 20s tonight. Looking at our 7-day forecast, we'll see that temperatures will remain under 40 degrees until Thursday, which they'll be warming up to 50 degrees on Friday and Saturday. However, those warm temperatures will come with a bit of rain, so make sure you grab your umbrella for the end of the week, and good luck on your finals. Back to you guys.
Gracias, James. El mapa no de indicios de otro huracán. Será la primera vez que el nombre ETA se usa para nombrar una tormenta. Es el huracán número 29 de la temporada, la más activa de la historia. Meteorólogos dicen que pasará la costa de Nicaragua el martes. Miren aquí. Por lo menos no nos afectará aquí en Nueva York. Es todo por ahora. Ahora para el informe noticiero, James.
Let's check in with our meteorologist, Darlene Dittell, about today's calm before the hot stuff gets here. Darlene?
Thanks, Matt. Well, today is pretty calm compared to the hot stuff that's coming our way. Right now, we're at a current temperature of about 68 degrees, and we'll get a low of 56 later this evening. 68, that means that we can bring out some cardigans, some boots, enjoy the fall weather while it lasts, but do tune back in a few minutes to hear about all this week that's going to burn you. Back to you, Matt. Thanks, Audrey. Well, us meteorologists use weather maps to forecast our weather. We can see that there's low pressure systems and high pressure systems and all these different fronts that are moving towards us. This is what moves cold and warm air masses. Right now, we have a ridge over the Midwest, and it looks like it's going to bring this fiery red hot air mass towards us. So it's going to be very warm. It's just going to head straight towards us, and temperatures are going to be way above normal. Let's take a look at our average temperatures for October. We'll see that normally we have a high of about 70, 75 degrees. Let me tell you, we're going to be way above that. We might even reach 90 on Wednesday. Looking at our 7-day forecast, we'll see what the exact temperatures will be. So tomorrow, Tuesday, we're going to be in the mid-70s, which is warm for this time of the year. But Wednesday, we have a high of 87. We might reach 90. And Matt, it is going to be a bad hair day. I hate to break it to you. We're going to have a chance of thunderstorms before 4 and some rain. So a little bit of bad hair day. It's going to continue into Thursday. We're going to get some rain and a high of 65. But Friday is going to be gorgeous. We're going to have a high of 70 degrees. The sun will be out. Great day to be outside. And Saturday, I know you're all wondering, what about homecoming? Do I need an umbrella? Do I need a jacket? No, it's going to be beautiful. We're going to have a high of 65 degrees. Great day to be outside. Sunday also looks awesome. We'll have a high of 70 degrees and a little bit of clouds. Monday, some rain is coming, but tune back next week and we'll tell you the forecast then too. Back to you, Matt.
Hi, I'm Darlene Dittell, and today I'm at Peconic Bay, and we're doing a little film segment, but in the meantime, let me tell you about the weather. So we have a gorgeous weekend ahead of us. Tonight we're going to drop into the mid-50s. It's pretty pleasant out, and tomorrow we're going to be in the mid-60s. Very warm for early November. Sunday and Saturday are going to be the same. So enjoy your weekend, get out there, take off some stress from the election, and get some outside time. That's all we have for you at Peconic Bay. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Audrey, why did we hear so much about snow this week?
Well, for one, our president was off in Afghanistan. And two, experts say we're tired of hearing about turkeys and football. So snow is the hot topic. With the busiest travel weekend of the year and all the commuters here on campus, we need to take precautions to keep us safe.
That's right, Audrey. This is why a snow prediction is very important. But it's hard for meteorologists to make predictions with so many factors to account for, especially on Long Island. For snow to occur, the atmosphere needs to be at a temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit or below. That is freezing or of the lower level of the bottom of the cloud and the base. This allows precipitation to remain freezing to become what we know as snow.
To find out about today's weather, let's go to our student meteorologist, Darlene Dittell. Darlene?
Thanks, Audrey. Well, we have a beautiful day ahead of us. We have a temperature of 54 degrees and sunshine all day. It's going to be a gorgeous day to be out and about. And as you can see behind me, we do have some fall leaves lingering around. So a little bit left of that fall foliage we love to see. All right, that's all I have for right now. Back to you, Audrey.
Let's see if we're going to have anything spooky or threatening in our forecast this week with our meteorologist, Darlene. Darlene?
Thanks, Audrey. Well, we do have some spooky weather ahead of us, but in the couple of days, nothing too monstrous. Tomorrow we have a high of 60 degrees, and then on Wednesday we're expecting a little bit of rain. Then moving on to Thursday, there's that spooky weather we love. It's a little bit of snow that we're expecting late in the evening. We'll have a high of 55 degrees, but
The snow. We're going to have snow. It's our first flakes of the season. Get ready, get your hot cocoa ready, and enjoy the wintry mix. It's going to happen overnight, early into Friday morning, and then all that precip that we're going to get is going to knock out the fall foliage that we've been loving so far. So make sure you get some great views in before then. Looking at Friday, we'll have that rain continuing, and then Saturday, we have a beautiful day ahead of us, a super sunshiny day, and it's going to be a little bit cold, so don't forget your jackets if you want to go out on a Saturday stroll. This gorgeous weather is going to continue into Sunday with a few mix of clouds throughout the day, and then Monday will be met with some rain, and we do have some snow this week. I can't say it enough. We love snow. We've been waiting for it all season, so make sure you get out there and enjoy it. Have a great day. Back to you, Audrey.